Good morning, I am Dr. Bert Olivar, author of Yes to Success. My topic for today is Benjamin Franklin. Benjamin Franklin was the foremost advocate of self-improvement. God helped those who help themselves. When he was a young man, he started a notebook with a page headed by its desirable quality he wished to develop in his character and personality. Then he devoted a week to concentrating on each one and deciding to improve still more. He later attributed the great success he achieved to his character building and personality development technique. I highly recommend it to you. My book, Yes to Success, has 52-week value formation program. Every week, you develop a value by having 5 little goals. By practicing the value every week, it will be a part of your life. Like Benjamin Franklin did, you will achieve great heights and you will be at the top of the world. God bless your family. Amen.